Hi, my name is Micah, and thanks for joining me as we talk about another interesting topic in the world of Romtec Utilities pumping systems. Pumping systems contain electrical components that are engineered to handle specific voltage ranges. When Romtec Utilities designs these systems, we know that the instrumentation is at risk from transient power surges and electrical overloads. This is why we include surge arrestors. To discharge or bypass power surges, surge arrestors limit voltage on equipment by redirecting it into the ground. They function as a safeguard against overvoltage to help protect the system and reduce maintenance costs. Surge arrestors are manufactured to be durable, but if it does fail, it can often be attributed to a compromised seal or internal deterioration that prevents it from limiting voltage. When it reaches this state, it's generally referred to as dielectric breakdown. Monitoring your LED indicators and keeping a preventive maintenance schedule will alert service technicians to replace surge arrestors and keep your pumping systems operational. Thanks again for joining me to discuss another aspect of Romtec Utilities pumping systems. Romtec Utilities designs and supplies systems across all water types and looks forward to hearing from you on your next pumping system project.